Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix Cash App you reached the request limit. So if you reached your limits, you need to open your Cash App, and first of all, you need to click your profile icon on the top right. Scroll a little bit down and you will see limits in the menu. You need to click it, and right here you will see your send limit, your receive limit, guys, and your cash balance limit, guys. So if you want to increase these limits, you need to do the simple thing. You need to verify your identity. So if you have not verified your identity yet, you need to click verify identity. You need to verify it, and once you will do it, you will increase your send limit, also receive limit, and your cash balance limit, guys. It's very simple. So when you verify your identity, your send limit will be around $13,000, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.